Hello everyone, good morning. I want to introduce myself. My name is CHRISTOPER. I'm from aipi Makassar and my major nautical level 1. I want to explain or review the specifications of pelni passenger ships. Pelni ships generally have a length of 99 meters, a bow height of 9.4 meters, and a weight 1,450 grays tonight. On average, this type of ship can carry a maximum of 300 people, and its shipping routes are located around Indonesia. On a pelni ships like this, there is a deck room on the bridge right above there, and the engine room is right on the bottom deck here of the ship, and there are also other rooms for passengers to stay in here. Maybe that's all I can review for the seats. Thank you.